Okay, my name is Modesta Ruiz, and the reason that I'm here is I brought my friend Agustina, and she used to have a lot of migraine headaches, and she had been in a car accident, hurted her back, and the day that I saw an ad on the paper, all the symptoms that were there, it reminded me of my friend. Her back hurted, she couldn't sleep, always headaches, and so I decided to call Dr. Dow's office and see if we could get an appointment. And when she came, Agustina came the first time, she came in with a very, very bad migraine headache. And so the doctor right away asked her questions, took an x-ray, and then adjusted her back or whatever she does. And by the time we left, she was feeling 100% better. And I've seen in Agustina that she no longer gets headaches the way she used to get them. She used to get them so bad that it used to put her in bed like 3-4 days. And now I see her, she's able to move around. She says she's able to sleep more. She doesn't have to take so much medication like she did. And I see her moving around better. So thank you, Dr. Dow, for helping my friend. And if you have anything similar to headaches or whatever, come and see the doctor. She'll help you. Okay, thank you.